This week in cybersecurity, critical alerts you need to know. Hi everyone, this is Vivian Berry with your CybLynx Cyber Brief, real-world cybersecurity updates in plain language so you know what's going on and how to stay protected. Let's jump right into it. First up, UBS has confirmed sensitive data was stolen from over 130,000 employees after a ransomware attack hit its procurement provider, ChainIQ, believed to be carried out by the WorldLeaks Group. The information was posted on the darknet. If your third-party vendors handle critical data, re-evaluate their controls and incident notification protocols now. fnlondon.com. Next, Google's threat intel team identified a sophisticated phishing campaign dubbed UNC6040. Attackers impersonate IT staff to trick employees into approving fake Salesforce data loader apps, then exfiltrate data directly via API access. This isn't random phishing anymore. It's strategic and it's live. TheHackerNews.com. Here's your actionable playbook. Vendor security. Reassess third-party risk and integration steps immediately. Patch Windows now, especially if you're running 2025 patches. Harden MFA plus API controls on SaaS platforms like Salesforce. Detect and defend AI scam traffic. Both voice and text channels need monitoring. Monitor geopolitical risk intel, especially for organizations connected to critical infrastructure. That's your CybLynx Cyber Brief for the week. Rooted in live events, not hypotheticals. Want a zero trust checklist or SOC tuning guide? Just hit me up at CybLynx. You'll get smart, actionable help fast. And don't forget, AI-powered scams are skyrocketing. The FBI warns that since April, deepfake voice calls mimicking senior officials are being used to gain trust and push targets into clicking malicious links. Combined voice and smishing attacks are especially dangerous. DMARCreport.com. Switching gears a bit, if you're under NYDFS, listen up. The 2025 updates are officially rolling out. Starting May 1st, all regulated companies need to have automated vulnerability scans, tighter access controls, and if you're a Class A company, privileged access management tools must be in place. Don't wait till audit season to scramble. If you're not sure what Class A means or how to comply, I've got a full breakdown on CybLynx. Go grab it. It's free. And here's a quick win for the week. Check your access logs. Seriously, most breaches go unnoticed for weeks just because no one's watching the login data. Use whatever tool you have, Microsoft Purview, Splunk, or even email alerts. If you're still using shared admin accounts, this is your reminder to stop. Lock it down. Also, get familiar with EDR. If you can't afford CrowdStrike or SentinelOne, tools like Wazoo or Elastic offer strong open source alternatives to get you started. That's your cyber brief for this week. Stay sharp, stay secure, and don't forget, subscribe, follow, or book a coaching session with me on cyblynx.com. We've got beginner trainings, compliance templates, and AI-powered security tools ready to go. I'll catch you in the next update.